Top tips for lower back pain relief. Lower back pain is a common infliction that affects over 80% of the adult population at one time or another in their lifetime. There are also many causes, and it can be difficult to directly determine the source of the problem without medical intervention, that is, a visit to the doctor or chiropractor. Some of the more usual causes are likely to be undertaking physical activity to which the body is not used to, such as strenuous gardening or lifting of overly heavy objects. This overexertion can result in a slip disc. This is a result of twisting, generally while lifting. A slip disc sounds worse than it probably is. It is merely the occurrence of your spinal bone bulging slightly, and touching on some nerves. Some basic exercises can help to relieve the pain and rectify the slip disc issue. Here are a few easy and handy steps to relieve back pain. Tip 1. Lie on your back. Now, this is simple and highly effective. Lie flat on the floor, with some pillows placed under your head and knees for support, if required. This takes the strain away from your lower back. An alternative is to place a pillow on a chair seat and rest your feet on the chair, with your back on the floor. It is recommended to stay in this position for around 5 to 25 minutes each session. This is a great way of resting the back and relieving the pressure off your lower back. You should perform this exercise for no more than 1 to 2 days in a row, getting up and walking around every hour. Tip 2. Use heating pads and/or ice packs. Heated pads will help to relieve muscle spasms. Use these for 20 to 30 minutes at a time. Ice packs are also a suitable alternative. Tip 3. Medicines to reduce swelling. Aspirin or medications with aspirin are good for back pain relief. Panadol is also helpful in controlling minor pain while you rest your lower back and recuperate. Tip 4. Massage for muscle relief. Back massage and lower back massage are one of the best ways to relieve the pain and re-energize. Massaging the lower back can help to reduce any inflammation and swelling. As the muscles relax, circulation is increased, and pain often lessens. Only one session with a professional is highly effective. A complete set of massage sessions recommended by a doctor or physiotherapist is always recommended to get the desired results. Tip 5. Lose those extra pounds. One big reason for lower back pain is those few extra pounds on the middle area of the body. Remember, an overweight person is doing everything all day long while carrying those extra pounds. Imagine even as a fit person, carrying weight all day long is tiresome, and those extra pounds one cannot put them just like weights in a gym. All the pressure while doing all kinds of work or even house chores is on the lower back because of those extra pounds. Being overweight brings a lot of health problems, and lower back pain is one of the most common problems. Losing weight will not only relieve back pain but also bring great health benefits. For weight loss tips, you can find great videos on our channel. If these tips are combined, together with much needed bed rest, your back pain should be gone, and your back should be returned to its old self. You may consider practicing some back strengthening exercises to prevent any future reoccurrence of lower back pain. We will discuss some prevention tips in future videos. If the lower back pain is persistent for 2 to 3 weeks, you should consult your family doctor. There is no substitute for professional medical advice. To get more information about losing weight, diet, and health, please subscribe our channel. If you like our videos, click the like button and hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health. See you in the next video.